should do. So I'm gonna fill up on water, fresh water. A guy just filled up some and asked him, I'm like, is it the good water? He's like, oh yeah. So last time I filled up my water is full, to be honest with you. But I fill up and it's yellow. I fill up, I give some water to Kitty and I was like, this is gross. So I'm gonna dump that. I already drank it. I'll make a 1 cup of tea with it. I was not sick, but this looked way better. Nice little stop to get water.
I stop here every week.
Oh yeah.
Best water ever.
Oh yeah. Awesome. I saw that on the side of the road. I'm like, oh, should be a good water to stop.
It is.
Yeah.
Years and years ago when the pulp mill was running, they had it tested.
Okay.
It was some of the best water in BC.
Oh yeah.
It's been tested.
Awesome. The trucker, the garbage truck guy, I don't know if you heard it, but he was like, he stopped there. I'm like, oh, that's a nice place to stop to get water. He's like, I stop there every day on my road. I'm like, oh yeah. He's like, it's the best water. So I'm like, oh, I'm looking forward to try it. So I'll keep that in mind for the next time. Good water to stop by. Strange, an old truck, old water truck in the bush. I think I'm gonna bring the van to this spot here instead. We've got a little bit of wood and I think I could put Starlink here and be fine. So I'm just gonna move the van. We're just right there, so and I'm not gonna be alone tonight. I have some pumpkin friend. Look like a pumpkin at least. The little mad guy. Oh, this is a little pumpkin. It is great, but it's already chilly, so I think I'm gonna walk a little bit Kitty so she can have a little bit of exercise. And we're gonna start our fire pretty soon. Miss Kitty, do you want to go for a walk? I knew that's what you wanted. So tonight is the night that I'm gonna make my classic potato salad, warm potato salad. I love this recipe. If you are new here, I'm gonna show you how I do it. I've done this recipe every winter. So you need potato, of course. So 1 or 2, maybe I'm gonna have a big batch. I have some Brussels sprout. Can be anything, like it's just what I like. I'm gonna put some mushroom. I'm gonna put some onion. I do have 1 sausage, so it's gonna be a deluxe warm potato salad. A bunch of seasoning, a little bit of oil, garlic probably, and to make the sauce, you need some hummus. So good, trust me. All right, need to cut everything now. Kitty wanted a little bit of water. Oh, this one looked way better. Want some water, baby? Oh yeah, that's good water. Mm. So the only thing left to do is to put a lot of hummus and mix that up until it's all creamy. So there you go, warm potato salad. So good. It is chilly, guys. So I'm gonna start a heater here and probably watch a movie. I don't have any internet and I didn't put starting. I have I have a couple movie download on my phone, so I think I'm gonna watch a couple movies or maybe one movie and fall asleep. So I hope guys you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. She's already sleeping. I don't think you guys gonna have a kiss. I think it's Kitty. She's like, no. Can we have a kiss? That's a look of like, no, I'm sleeping. I'm not gonna give you guys a kiss. Okay, oh, we still love you, Kitty. Have a good night.